New details in the train crash that killed a mother and her young daughter. We learned today the area near the tracks is a construction zone. KPIX 5 reporter Mark Kelly is live in San Leandro with how that changes this investigation. Mark?
That's right, Ken. The initial investigation showing that this railroad crossing yesterday was also a PG&E construction zone. And that likely means traffic here was more confusing than usual yesterday when this crash happened.
We learned today that where the horrific crash happened that killed a mother and her daughter, PG&E had set up a construction zone, changing the traffic patterns many drivers here were used to.
The construction in the roadway with traffic lane closures, condensing that traffic down, making it heavier than normal.
But Lieutenant Robert McManus with San Leandro PD says the proper signage was posted, warning drivers about the construction zone and that two lanes would be merging into one.
There was very clear warning from a very safe distance that the traffic would be merging.
But still, Oaklander Vanessa Enriquez and her 3-year-old daughter were on the tracks. Amtrak train 532 smacked into their Toyota RAV4 yesterday afternoon, clipping the front of the vehicle with enough force to send it a quarter of a mile up the tracks.
The likelihood is that car was stopped, that car likely was trapped in traffic, never had a chance to even see that railway arm unless you were looking in the rearview mirror to see it coming down behind her vehicle.
For investigators, surveillance video and data from the Amtrak train will serve as a black box of sorts to hopefully reveal new details from the crash and ensure it doesn't happen again.
We won't have those answers until sometime next week.
And that computer data is supposed to show investigators when the brakes were applied on that train and also how fast the train was going at the time of the crash. But top speed through this corridor is typically 79 miles per hour. Live in San Leandro, Mark Kelly, KPIX 5.